new session. Hope you are doing well. We all take food every day, such as boiled rice, chapati, fruits, grains, milk, and meat. But have you ever thought about how humans discovered food? Do you know that before we started growing food, humans used to gather edible products from nature? Let us look at history to understand how we evolved from collectors of food to producers of food. From the topic, from gathering food to growing food. From class 6, Social Studies. Learning outcomes. You will be able to know about the nomadic life of early people, food gathering, and uses of fire. How stone tools were used by the early people. How the farming gradually led to the early civilization. Keywords. Hunter-gatherers. The people who depend upon hunting and gathering produce from the forest. Neolithic. The new stone age. Herders. Animal rearers. Archaeologists. Scientists who study human history by digging up human remains and artifacts. Settled life. Living permanently in one place. Domestication. The process in which people grow plants and rear animals. Concept map. Early people gathering food and hunting thousands of years ago, the people who lived in the subcontinent were called hunter-gatherers. The name hunter-gatherer came from how they got their food. They gathered fruits, edible roots and tubers, nut seeds, leaves, honey, and wild grains that grew naturally in the forests. They hunted animals and birds, caught fish, and gathered eggs for food. The hunting and gathering of food were not easy to do. To collect plants and products, you need to find out which plants or parts of the plants are edible. Nomadic life. The hunter-gatherers lived in small societies. They lived in caves or under tree shades or rock shades. In search of food, they moved from place to place. Such people are called nomads. Men, women, and children participated in hunting and gathering. They shared the food with the group. Let us know what forced them to move from one place to another. the hunter-gatherers led a nomadic life. They consumed all the available food from plants and animals of a particular place and later moved on to another place in search of food. Usually, animals moved from place to place for various reasons, and hence this made the hunter-gatherers also move along with them for hunting. As plants and trees bore fruits in different seasons, people had to move along with the seasons in search of food and survival. Another reason to move from a place is water. Most of the water bodies like lakes, ponds, streams, etc. dry up in summer, thus people move to other places in search of water during dry seasons. Finding out about fire, the hunter-gatherers discovered fire. Probably, they made fire by striking two stones. It lets them cook their food, making it soft and safe to eat. This was the beginning of cooked food. They used fire to keep off wild animals, to light the caves and to harden the wood. How do we know those people? We know the hunter-gatherers from some of the tools found. They had a wide range of tools made out of stone, wood and bone. They used those tools to scrape animal skins and clean the skins. They used stone tools to cut animal flesh and bones. They dug soil for edible tubers and roots with these tools. They prepared spears and arrows for hunting. They hunted animals easily with these tools. Animal bones, stone tools, especially microliths, and also tools made of bones have been found in them. Paintings. The hunter-gatherers lived in caves or rock shelters. They painted pictures of humans, animals, and hunting scenes on the surface of the rocks. Different colored stones were ground and mixed the animal fat to prepare these colors. They used brushes to paint on rocks. For a long period, people led their lives as hunter-gatherers. Now, let's study how such people transform themselves as farmer-herders and search for reasons for that change. Transforming to farming and herding more than 12,000 years ago, the world had started becoming warmer. This was also known as the period of the Great Development for humans. In this period, humans evolved from food gatherers to growers. This climate change led to an increase in plants, trees, grasslands, and overall greenery. On the other hand, animals like buffaloes, oxen, sheep, goats, deer, etc., which depend on grass started increasing. Man used to domesticate those animals. Growing plants as the greenery increased, people started observing the places where edible plants could be found. How seeds broke off stalks, fell on the ground, and new plants sprouted from them. This gradual process allowed men to start planting the seeds they wanted and growing them for food. This was the beginning of farming. They cultivated different crops such as rice, wheat, barley, lentil, green gram, black gram, etc. Rearing animal. Gradually, animals started coming to the places where men grew crops to eat the grass. They attracted animals by leaving food for them. The relatively gentle animals were selected for breeding. Animals such as sheep, goats, buffaloes, oxen, and pigs lived in herds and most of them ate grass. These animals provided milk and meat, and some would even carry loads. People protected those animals from the wild animals. This was how they became herders. Towards a settled life. As people started farming, they realized that seeds took some time to grow. Like days, weeks, months, and even years. This meant that people had to stay in a place for a long time, taking care of the plants, watering them and protecting them from birds and animals. This had to be done till the grain ripened. After that, the grain had to be stored carefully for future use as food and seed. The early people to store grain used large clay pots or woven baskets or dug pots into the ground. Animals provided milk, meat, and other dairy products. Due to these reasons, people began to settle down in convenient places for longer time. The farmer herder lived in the huts or houses made of mud and grass. In some places, people made pit houses in the ground with steps leading them, along with some cooking tools inside and outside the houses. These may have provided shelter in cold weather or during rain. Stone tools used by the farmer herders. The early farmers needed to clear forest by cutting trees. They developed new kinds of stone tools which were called Neolithic stone tools by the archaeologists. The early farmers selected the right kind of stones which was ground on rock to give it an axe-like edge. This axe is then used to cut trees, etc. This period of early agriculture is called the Neolithic period. Mortars and pestles were used for grinding grain and other plant products. Many earthen pots have been excavated. These earthen pots were probably used for cooking and to store food grains. So, the shift from hunting and gathering to farming and herding was a big change for early humans, brought on by the need to find more stable sources of food and shelter. Thank you.